you guys how the more sets, more reps routine works for bench day. All right, so I'm gonna do it only for the bench day. I'm gonna break it down for you. All right, so as you see, we're gonna start with 135, and then for the first set, your goal is to get from 15 reps to 20 reps. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to get to a peak, stay at the peak, and then do a drop set. All right, let's get it. Alright y'all, so this is the second set. As you can tell, we put on 50 pounds, we put on 25 pounds on each side. Again, the goal is to get between 15 to 20 reps. Now, let's get it. Yo, we're at 225 right now. The set is getting heavier and heavier. Now you want to hit a range between 10 to 15, all right? All right, y'all. So now we're at 275. Normally, this should be your peak. You should be doing about one to three reps at your peak. All right. But I'm gonna try and push it because we've been doing this way for a while. I'm gonna try and go for 5 reps and see if I can go up to another to a higher peak. All right. So this should be 1 to 3 reps. Okay. Alright, y'all, it's the second set at the peak. Still at 275. Y'all saw me struggle through the first set. I'm gonna try and do better. Try and hold everything through for this second set, alright? All right, y'all, it's the third set. Again, trying to do as many reps, 3 to 4 reps, all right? Get it? All right, y'all, it's the last set at the peak. You feel me? I'm already a little bit fatigued, but we still got to hit between 1 to 3 reps before we do a drop set. Okay, so let's get it. All right, y'all, we're gonna do a drop set now. We're just gonna push to failure. All right.
Work.
225, let's get it.
73 reps, let's go. Okay, more like 10, 7 and 10. Let's get it.
All right, y'all, we're at 185. No, we're not 185. We're at what, 205?
205.
All right, so this is the lowest you're gonna go because we don't wanna go past our body weight. All right, so we're gonna go for until failure. All right.
Let's get it.